Imagine a city where time seems to slow down, allowing you to savor every moment. Welcome to Seville. In the heart of Spain's Andalusia region, cradled by the gentle curves of the Guadalquivir River, lies Seville, a city where history and culture breathe life into every corner. Its origins steeped in antiquity, Seville is a city that carries the weight of its rich history with a graceful charm, the echoes of 1,000 years whispering through its streets. At the heart of the city, the Giralda Tower stands tall, a silent sentinel watching over the city. Once a minaret of the great mosque of Seville, the Giralda now serves as the bell tower of the Seville Cathedral, a testament to the city's vibrant history and its seamless blend of cultures. It's not just a tower, but a symbol of Seville, a beacon reaching out to the sky, inviting the world to explore the city's wonders. A stone's throw away from the Giralda, the Royal Alcazar stands in all its splendor. An emblem of the city's Moorish past, the Alcazar is a masterpiece of intricate architecture, its walls telling tales of sultans and kings, of a time when Seville was the heart of kingdoms. The Guadalquivir River, the lifeblood of Seville, winds its way through the city. Over the centuries, it has borne witness to the city's evolution, the rise and fall of empires, and the birth of a vibrant culture. As it meanders through Seville, the river provides a picturesque backdrop to the city, with charming bridges that connect the city's heart to its soul. These landmarks, however, are just the beginning. Seville is a city that thrives on its culture, a city where flamenco beats pulse through the cobblestone streets, where the aroma of tapas drifts from bustling bars. It's a city that lives and breathes art, its walls adorned with vibrant murals, its squares echoing with the strumming of Spanish guitars. From its soaring towers to its tranquil river, Seville is a city that captivates all who visit. The soul of Seville lies in its charming neighborhoods and bustling plazas. There's an allure to the Santa Cruz neighborhood that captures the heart of the city. Imagine wandering down narrow cobblestone alleys where sunlight dapples through the leaves of orange trees, casting a warm glow on whitewashed houses. Picture yourself stopping to admire the vibrant hues of geraniums and bougainvilleas spilling from wrought iron balconies, their delicate fragrance mingling with the scent of fresh oranges in the air. But Santa Cruz is more than just a picturesque postcard. It's a place where the past and present coexist, where tales of centuries-old legends echo in the walls of its ancient buildings, and the hum of modern life vibrates through its bustling cafes and shops. Moving from the winding lanes of Santa Cruz, we arrive at the city's vibrant plazas. The Plaza de España, with its stunning mosaic tilework, is a kaleidoscope of color. Here, the rhythm of life beats to the sound of water cascading from ornate fountains and the soft whispers of lovers sharing secrets beneath the arches. A short stroll away, we find the Plaza de la Encarnación, home to the Metropole Parasol. This modern structure, affectionately dubbed the Mushrooms by locals, is a testament to Seville's architectural diversity. Rising like a giant wooden canopy, it contrasts sharply with the city's historic skyline, yet somehow fits seamlessly into the urban landscape. As the sun sets, the plazas transform into social hubs, buzzing with locals and tourists alike. The chatter of conversation fills the air, punctuated by the clink of glasses and the laughter of children chasing pigeons around the square. The atmosphere is electric, a sensory feast of sights, sounds, and smells that encapsulates the spirit of Seville. In the heart of Seville, every street and square is a testament to its enduring charm. In Seville, the rhythm of flamenco and the aroma of tantalizing cuisine fill the air. The city pulses with the passionate beats of flamenco, a dance that tells a story with each fiery stomp and graceful twirl. The local tablaos, or flamenco venues, are where this dance truly comes alive. In these intimate settings, every note of the guitar, every clap, and every stamp of the foot reverberates, carrying the weight of centuries of tradition and emotion. As the last echoes of the flamenco fade, the city's culinary scene beckons. The Mercado de Triana, a bustling market, is a sensory symphony of sights, sounds, and smells. Here, vendors offer a cornucopia of fresh produce, local olives, and the tantalizing jamón ibérico, a cured ham that's a staple of the Spanish diet. Tapas bars dot the cityscape, each offering a unique twist on traditional dishes. The gazpacho, a chilled tomato-based soup, is a refreshing reprieve from the warm Spanish sun, while the variety of tapas, small dishes that are perfect for sharing, invite you to sample a bit of everything. From a humble olive to a hearty bowl of gazpacho, each bite is a testament to Seville's rich gastronomic culture. Each dish tells a story, much like the flamenco, creating a tapestry of experiences that are uniquely Sevillian. In Seville, every beat and bite is a celebration of its vibrant culture. Seville's beauty extends beyond its architecture to its lush parks and serene gardens. Picture yourself strolling through Maria Luisa Park, a verdant oasis in the heart of the city. Here, fragrant orange trees and colorful flower beds intertwine with charming fountains and ornate pavilions. And then, there are the tranquil gardens of the Alcazar, where you can lose yourself in a maze of palm-fringed courtyards and mirror-like pools. As the sun dips below the horizon, Seville begins a transformation. The city's iconic landmarks, from the towering Giralda to the sprawling Plaza de España, come alive under a canopy of starlight. The streets hum with an infectious energy. Musicians strum the chords of flamenco on their guitars, while locals and tourists alike revel in the city's vibrant nightlife. Tapas bars buzz with chatter and laughter, and the air is filled with the aroma of delicious Spanish cuisine. As day turns into night, Seville transforms into a city of magical lights and vibrant energy. Seville's cultural and artistic heritage is as diverse as it is captivating. This city has been a muse for operas and literature, its rich history echoing in every melody and verse. Its people, warm as the Andalusian sun, breathe life into its vibrant culture. Seville is a tapestry woven with threads of past and present, tradition and innovation, music and silence. From its sun-drenched streets to its starlit skies, Seville invites you to discover its beauty, savor its flavors, and dance to its rhythm. This is Seville, a city that truly enchants.